SaaS lead generation. Strategies to attract and convert high-quality leads. Lead generation is vital for SaaS, ensuring a steady stream of leads and boosting MRR. SaaS buyers need trust and value, requiring tailored strategies. Advanced tools and AI refine targeting, personalization, and conversions, making lead gen highly effective. The SaaS lead generation funnel includes awareness, where leads discover your solution through content and ads, consideration, where they compare options using case studies and demos, and decision, where free trials and follow-ups drive conversions. SaaS lead generation focuses on digital engagement, recurring subscriptions, and personalized nurturing using AI and analytics to optimize the lead journey. Create targeted, valuable content like blog posts and case studies to address prospects' needs while boosting credibility. Use SEO and paid ads to increase visibility and capture active leads. Leverage email marketing to nurture relationships with segmented, personalized campaigns. Webinars and demos build trust by showcasing product value directly. Active social media engagement, particularly on LinkedIn, fosters community connections and establishes industry authority. Together, these strategies attract qualified leads and drive long-term customer relationships. AI automates tasks, prioritizes leads based on behavior, refines outreach, and optimizes timing, boosting conversions and enabling sales to focus on high-value prospects. AnyBiz.io streamlines SaaS lead generation with AI-powered agents handling personalized multi-channel outreach across email, LinkedIn, and cold calls. It offers tailored messaging, landing pages, email domain warming, and a prospect database of 300M+ leads. With easy setup, detailed tracking, and dedicated support, AnyBiz simplifies and boosts lead generation for rapid SaaS growth. Start your 7-day free trial today. A/B testing, personalization, and follow-ups are key to SaaS lead conversion. Test emails, CTAs, and landing pages to refine what works. Personalize communication to address prospects' needs and strengthen connections. Use follow-ups and retargeting to re-engage leads and boost conversions effectively. Remember to make your mark before you leave. Hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the game with our upcoming releases.